Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use yesterday's data. We'll start by defining what yesterday's data truly means in various contexts, from sales figures to sensor readings. Understanding its scope is crucial for effective application. We'll then explore common sources where this daily information originates, helping you identify valuable datasets. Finally, we'll highlight the immediate and significant value that recent historical information brings to your daily decision-making processes. Let's dive into practical applications. You can use yesterday's sales figures to make immediate adjustments, perhaps increasing or decreasing today's inventory by up to 15% to meet demand. Analyzing daily website traffic allows you to optimize content and marketing efforts for the next 24 hours, targeting peak engagement. Furthermore, employing previous day's sensor readings can help predict short-term environmental changes, enabling proactive responses in various fields. To effectively leverage this data, you'll need the right tools and techniques. Consider implementing automated data extraction tools to retrieve daily information efficiently, saving valuable time. Simple statistical methods, such as calculating a 3-day moving average, can help you quickly spot emerging trends. Visualizing your daily data with clear charts and graphs provides immediate, actionable insights, making complex information easily digestible for everyone involved. Finally, let's cover best practices and common pitfalls. Always ensure data accuracy and integrity through daily validation checks. Even a small error can skew your analysis. Avoid over-reliance on single-day data without considering broader context or longer-term trends. The most powerful insights come from integrating yesterday's information with weekly or monthly patterns, providing a comprehensive view for more robust and informed decision-making.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.